Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 10:04. I was in this trade for 10 minutes. Let's recap. So the reason went bearish. The green line is the low of previous day. When it broke this pattern here, I didn't want to enter this trade because the topping tail that formed. But you sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work, but it's a break. So I need to get better in doing this. I need to pick one and stick with. If I'm gonna take the break on the full bar, I always have to take the break on the full bar, or I'm not taking the break on a tail bar like this, so I have to do them every time the same way. It doesn't matter what happens. So I need to make a decision which one I'm gonna take, because like or not, this is the break of this. So this was the trade I was looking for. I didn't enter here because of the way this bar formed, and also it looks bearish because touch reject here. It's like 3 touches here, so I wasn't sure. That's why I didn't take this break. And then when break above this low here, it never held here, breaking back and held it here, putting this flag wedge here, and also topping tail, indecision bar, and break, and held under here. So I enter here, my target was down here, my stop was up there. It's probably just gonna be enough, and just never know, but it looks bearish to me. That's why I didn't take this trade. I wasn't sure. I prefer to wait for a bearish setup than a bullish in this case. So I technically stick with my plan, because if I'm not sure, I prefer not to take the trade. So that's the trade for today. I waited for my setup, stayed patient, and execute according to my rules. The entry was clear, the risk was defined, and I exit accordingly with my plan. The important part is that I stayed disciplined the whole time. I'll come back tomorrow with the same focus on execution and results. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.